Hello YouTube, this is MAGA Hacks or Whistlers here, whatever you want to call me. So right here I have a tutorial on 3D motion tracking, and this technique is used in a lot of edits that people make, and it's pretty cool if you get it right. And this is a pretty lengthy process, but once you get it, it looks pretty damn sexy. So let's get started. By the way, it's 4:20 p.m. just letting you know. Thought I'd let you know that. And so first off, you're gonna want to import your clip to AfterEffects, and I'm pretty sure you can also do this with Sony Vegas. Not sure what else, but you're gonna import this to your timeline, and straight from there you're gonna want to render it. So add to render queue, and your output module, you're gonna want to change that. Go into here and do JPEG sequence, and just press OK there. And then you're gonna want to, well, definitely make a folder on your desktop for the frames, because there's gonna be around, well, at least a few hundred, depending on how long your clip is. And where the hell did I put this? I'll just put it in my final folder. Hold on, just gonna rename this. Whistlers Ignite. And you're just gonna want to press save there, and you are all set. You're just gonna render now. And I will come back when the render is complete. This should be a pretty quick render, considering it's just rendering individual frames into a JPEG. So I will be back. Okay. Alright, I am back, and the render is just finishing up. So there you go. You have your JPEG sequence. Just to double check it, go in your Whistlers Ignite folder. Open, damn it. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, so as you can see, we have our rendered video in JPEG frames. So now you're going to want to have Buju. I will have a link and tutorial in a .txt file. And so now you're gonna, in Buju, you're gonna go to import sequence, and you're gonna go to your C drive, and then do users, and then just go to wherever you saved your frames. You're gonna open your first frame, and now here you're gonna want to pay close attention, because in After Effects, what you want to do is go to your rendered product, and you're gonna want to check the frame rate, and mine is 30 FPS, so you're gonna want to change that to 30 in here. And all this is determined on how long your clip is, so don't be worried if this is different. Keep that normal. Press apply, wait for that to apply, and then close. Alright, so now you have your frames imported to Buju. Now you want to do track features. and just press start, and this will track all the features in the clip, and so it could keep a still figure while the rest of the background is moving. So yeah, I will speed this up so that you don't have to watch this. Shouldn't take too long, but you know, I ain't got all day, neither do you, so I will speed this up. See you in a bit. Alright, I am back, and we have all our frames pretty much. Well, this is the first step of tracking, and now there's going to be the advanced tracking called camera solve. Now what this does is it picks out distinctive pixels that are the same the whole sequence. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do optimize camera's path smoothness and press start. And this shouldn't take that long either. In fact, really quick. But okay, now you have your camera solve. Now you have a lot clearer pixels than you had before. So now this is where it's important. You're going to do scene geometry, and this is going to determine where your text is and what voice crack, what direction it's in and stuff like that. So you're going to press add coordinate from hint, and you're going to make this z-axis, and you're going to pick 2 pixels that go from up and down. So I think I'm gonna choose this one and this one. And now once you have those 2 selected, you hold control, by the way, when you're selecting those, and you're gonna press connect to selected, and that's going to make a link between these 2, and it's going to tell it that Whistler's oh boy, cracking like a cracker. Anyway, it's going to say that Whistler's wants his text facing this direction, and now we're going to tell it that Whistler's wants his text. Oh shit, plug this motherfucker in. Anyway, you're gonna do add coordinate from hint. Oh shit, hold on, add z-axis, now go into x-axis. Okay, now you're gonna choose 2 pixels that go left to right on the horizontal axis. So I'm gonna do here to here. Connect these, add coordinate, and now you're going to do origin, and this is so that it tells pretty much where the center of the frame is and where you kind of want your text. So I'm just going to choose here, connect to selected, and now all of your scene geometry mapping is done. And you're gonna press update coordinate frame. You could do it more than once. It sometimes doesn't process if you just do it once, but most of the time it does. So I'm just gonna play on the safe side and do it 3 times. And now you're gonna close. Okay, so now all your stuff in Buju is pretty much done. And now I'm going to add a test subject to test to see if I'm doing this right. And if it is correct, it should face like text throughout the whole sequence. Let's watch this. So as you can see, it's moving pretty smoothly with the picture. Very nice. Now, just gonna delete these. And you are going to do export camera solve, and I'm going to export this to my desktop, and it's going to be called You Mad Because Whistlers is a pro at motion tracking. And you're going to change this to Cinema 4D, so with .c4d. And that should be good. Oh no, here. You're going to want to change this 1 to 100. And save that.